Hi, welcome to Nature Now. My name is Cathy and I'm hanging out at the beach looking at sand. What is sand? That's a really good question. Well, sand is this stuff, rocks. That's right. Sand is made up of itty bitty teeny weeny rocks. Believe it or not, some of the sand can start this big, and then after a while it gets ground up in the waves of the water, keeps getting ground up, gets smaller and smaller and smaller until you get little tiny bits of sand like this. Now sand is made up of so many different types of rocks. It's not just one type of rock, many types of rocks. And the one that I find most interesting is a rock called magnetite. Magnetite is magnetic. It's almost in the name, magnetite. And I have here a magnet right here, and I've got it in the sand, okay? And now I'm going to transfer whatever stuck on the magnet to this other plate. There they go. So there's all the little particles of sand. So each one of those is a rock right there. Now let's see if it jumps onto the magnet. Ready? Watch close. Oh, I saw one. Oh, I saw two. Now, if you're having a hard time really seeing what's going on here, you know what I suggest? I suggest you get a magnet. I just took this off my fridge. Get a magnet, go to the beach, and see if you can find some magnetite and other types of rocks at the beach. Have fun with that and put it on Show Us Your Science. #ShowUsYourScience. Bye now.